Last week we loaned the side-by-side with these snow tracks to 3 friends of ours who took a group of young men up into the deep snow and the tall trees to teach them some winter survival skills. They had to build fires, and they had to get unstuck, and they had to dig, and they had to survive, and they had to warm up and get dried out. Great thing for these young men to learn how to take care of themselves in these types of conditions, especially from 3 such capable men as what they had leading them. Unfortunately, the side-by-side's drive belt decided to explode on them. In fact, it just disintegrated, and they ended up having to repair the thing out in 4 feet of snow. Worked out well for me because it was repaired by some of the best mechanics in the area, so I can't complain. Well, here we are. Today's what, Shem? February
12th.
February 12th? February 12th, that's right. Not a ton of snow. Less than I expected. But it is a bluebird day. My golly, look at that sky. Just gorgeous.